कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ने तहरीक इंसाफ के चेयरमैन इमरान खान को नाअहल करार दे दिया है। ये मुत्तफिका फैसला आपको दे रहे हैं। इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान ने इमरान खान को नाअहल करार दे दिया है। इलेक्शन
The Commission says Khan is guilty of unlawfully selling state gifts received from heads of state and foreign dignitaries.
Former Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan has been disqualified by the Election Commission of Pakistan and has been found guilty of corrupt charges.
The former Prime Minister Imran Khan from holding public office on charges of unlawfully selling state gifts.
Now, the PTR chief was found guilty of submitting a false affidavit relating to the declaration of the Tosha Khana gifts.
Former Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan has been disqualified as member of the National Assembly after the Election Commission has found him guilty of corruption.
He's accused of not declaring gifts received from world leaders and the proceeds he earned by selling those gifts.
Former Prime Minister Imran Khan will be disqualified from running for political office for 5 years.
इसका मतलब मैं डिजर्व ही नहीं करता प्राइम मिनिस्टर बने।